Microsoft has just released some overdue notification request features for Planner in Microsoft Teams. And in this super short video, we will take a look at 3 ways that you can manage your notifications for Planner. Let's nerd out. Number 1 is more robust notifications for Planner. Let's head up to the ellipses here, go Settings, and then we're going to go to Notifications and Activity. Now, what we are looking for is all the way down here at the bottom under Apps, and we are looking for Planner. So you're going to want to ensure that this is turned on, but if we select the drop-down caret, then we are going to see a handful of notifications. So the usual ones of you being assigned a task are still there, but now if a task has been updated, or if the status has been changed to complete, in progress, or not started, or if a task has even been reassigned to somebody else, you are going to receive those notifications, which are super helpful. Other ones that I think are great are your task was marked as not urgent, so something that was a priority is no longer a priority, or if something that wasn't a priority is now a priority, then you can ensure that this task assigned to you is now urgent. Now, these tasks, there are a lot of them, so the notifications could certainly get overwhelming, which is great because we can actually customize each of these tasks notifications individually. So if we select this drop-down caret, then you have Show in Activity and Banner. So the activity is your activity feed up here, and the banner is that little square that pops up on your screen as a notification banner. So you can do both of these. You could do just Show in Activity, or you could turn it off, right? So some of those more important items, like if a task has been reassigned to somebody else, or it's been marked as urgent or not marked as urgent, then you might want to have it show in both. But some other ones, if a task has been changed to in progress, maybe that's not super important for you to know, and you might decide to turn that off just to limit some of the notifications that you are receiving. Number 2 is a long time requested feature for notifications in Microsoft Teams. It's not particularly related to Planner, but because of all of these new notification settings, I thought that it was important to highlight it here. So if we scroll on up, we're still going to be in that notifications and activity. And this time we are looking for display. So here is a preview of where your banners are going to appear. So by default, it has always been in the bottom right, which some people felt was distracting. So now you can change your banner notifications to appear in the top right, the bottom left, or even the top left. This is currently available for people in public preview and targeted release, but it will be rolling out to other users soon. And for example purposes, Mike has just changed the priority of a task that's been assigned to me to urgent, and you can see that banner notification appear in the top right. Next pertains to email notifications for Planner. So from the web Planner application, then we have some new changes here as well. We can go up to the gear icon on the top right and then go notifications. So when somebody assigns a task and to email you when a task is late, due today, or within the next 7 days, these two have always been there. Now, if you find that those new Teams notifications covers you, then you might decide to turn these off. But the new addition here is to email you when somebody adds you to a premium plan or a portfolio. So this is a new feature. I would recommend keeping that on for now so that you can monitor those notifications. For more tips on using Planner, then you can check out my playlist here.